Let's meet Kelvin, working in a MNC in California. He had to travel daily into public transportation during rush moment, which became quite exhausted for him. So, he was planning to buy a car for daily travel. But due to insufficient savings, he had to forget his dream and feeling devastated. At that moment, one of his colleagues suggested him to buy cheap used cars available for sale. While searching for the used cars, he found Car Depot, the leading pre-owned used car dealership in Pasadena, California. He was amazed to know that they have a great inventory of used cars, like economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks, vans etc. at the best competitive prices. So, without hesitating, he immediately contacted them by dialing 1-626-469-0034 and scheduled an appointment. He visited them and their experts helped him to choose the right car best suited his needs and budget. Now he is very much satisfied while driving his own car. Are you searching for the same? Contact Car Depot. For more details, visit them at https://cardepotag.com/.